In this video, we'll explore words with R, like rejuvenate and rustic. Many of them look very similar to Spanish, making them easier to learn and remember. You'll also learn common collocations, discover the differences between similar words, and see practical examples and useful notes that will help you use these words more confidently in real-life English. Let's dive in.
React. To act in response to something. She didn't know how to react when he heard the surprising news. Chain reaction. A chemical process where each step triggers the next. The company's loss of a major contract set off a chain reaction of layoffs and budget cuts. Reactor. A machine where nuclear reactions take place. The power plant shut down one of its nuclear reactors for maintenance. Radiation. Invisible energy waves or particles released by certain substances or nuclear reactions. The scientists measured the radiation levels around the nuclear reactor to make sure they were safe. Reality. The state of things as they are. In reality, learning a new language takes time and effort. The reality is that finding a good job without knowing English is almost impossible. Rational. Thinking logically and clearly. She gave a rational explanation for her decision, and everyone understood it. She made a rational decision to save money instead of buying a new car. Realistic. Close to reality. The teacher gave us a realistic deadline to finish the project. I like to be realistic and not think that my team will always win. It's realistic to expect the project to take at least 6 months to complete. The dinosaur model in the museum looks very realistic. Reasonable, fair, sensible, not extreme. It's reasonable to ask for more time to complete the task.
It's realistic to expect delays in the project, but making a rational plan can help. And it's reasonable to ask the team for extra time if needed.
Recite. To say aloud from memory. The student had to recite a poem in front of the class. Reconsider. To think again about a decision. The manager promised to reconsider the proposal before making a final choice. Recuperate. To recover health or strength. She went to the countryside to recuperate after her surgery. Recurrent. Happening again and again. He suffers from recurrent headaches that interrupt his work. He has recurrent problems with alcohol that affect his family life. Recycle. To process waste into reusable material. Many people recycle paper, plastic, and glass to help the environment. Refine. To improve by making small changes. The company is working to refine its production process. Living abroad helped refine his manners and social skills. Reform. To make changes to improve something. The government promised to reform the education system.
Reform is usually used for systems, laws, organizations, or institutions. Political reform is needed to increase transparency. The labor reform changed employment regulations. Renovate means repairing and improving a building while keeping its basic structure. They renovated the old house last year. They renovated the apartment last year. Remodel means changing the design, layout, or appearance of a room or building. We remodeled the kitchen to create more space. They remodeled the kitchen to create an open-plan layout.
Refugee. A person forced to leave their country. The refugees crossed the border in search of safety and shelter. Regime. A government system. The country lived under a strict military regime for many years. Regiment. A military unit of soldiers. The regiment marched through the city during the parade. Region. A large area of land. This region is famous for its vineyards and beautiful landscapes. Regulate. to control or direct by rules. The government regulates the sale of medicine for public safety. Regulation, an official rule or law. New safety regulations were introduced for construction workers. Rejuvenate, to make someone or something look or feel young again. A weekend at the spa helped rejuvenate her body after months of hard work. Rejuvenate the mind. Reading a good book in silence can rejuvenate the mind. Rejuvenating cream. She bought a rejuvenating cream that promises to reduce wrinkles in 2 weeks. Spending the summer with her grandson rejuvenates the grandmother and fills her with new energy. Relegate, to move someone to a lower position or less important role. The coach decided to relegate the player to the bench after his poor performance. The team was relegated to the second division after losing the final match. The boss relegated the employee to administrative tasks because of his repeated mistakes. Religion, belief in and worship of a god or gods. Religion plays an important role in many cultures around the world. Repatriate, to send someone back to their own country. The embassy organized the repatriation of its tourists after the earthquake. Repulsive, extremely unpleasant or disgusting. The smell from the garbage was so repulsive that nobody wanted to enter the room.
Both mean extremely unpleasant, but repulsive sounds more formal and stronger, while disgusting is more common in everyday English.
Reserve, someone kept ready to play if needed. He was a reserve in the football team and entered the match in the second half. He was only a reserve player and spent most of the match on the bench. Resist, to fight against or try not to be affected by something. She tried to resist the temptation of eating chocolate during her diet. She had to resist pressure from her friends to skip class. Resolve, to find a solution to a problem or difficulty. The neighbors held a meeting to resolve a conflict about the lack of parking spaces in the street. The two countries met to resolve a conflict over their border disputes. Resolution, a strong decision to do or not do something, usually for self-improvement. She made a New Year's resolution to exercise more regularly. My New Year's resolution is to study English every day. Resolution, official decision, a formal decision made by a group or organization, especially in politics or the United Nations. The UN passed a resolution to send peacekeepers to the region.
In professional and legal contexts, people often talk about conflict resolution. Here are some common words you will hear in this field. Mediation, when a neutral person helps others reach an agreement. The company offered mediation to resolve the dispute between employees. Mediator, the neutral person who helps in the process. The mediator encouraged both parties to listen to each other carefully. Negotiation, discussion to reach a mutual agreement. After hours of negotiation, both sides agreed on a new contract. Settlement, a formal agreement that ends a dispute. The two companies reached a settlement to avoid going to court. Arbitration, a legal process where a third party makes a binding decision. The case went to arbitration because the sides could not agree. Agreement, a general word for when two or more sides decide on the same thing, formal or informal. The two companies signed an agreement to collaborate on developing new software. Here are some common expressions you will hear when talking about conflict resolution. Learning them will help you understand how agreements and legal processes are described in English.
Respective, relating separately to each person or thing mentioned. The students return to their respective seats after the break. Respectively, in the same order as previously mentioned, John and Sarah are 10 and 12 years old, respectively. Responsibility, duty to take care of something or someone. Parents have the responsibility to take care of their children. It's your responsibility to finish the report on time.
Responsibility means having a duty or task that you are expected to do. Accountability means being answerable for the results of those tasks, having to explain or justify what happened.
It's the teacher's responsibility to prepare the lessons. The teacher is also accountable to the school for the student's progress. Retentive, having the ability to remember things easily. He has a retentive memory and can recall details from years ago. Retract, to take back a statement or withdraw something. The politician had to retract his words after the public outcry. The journalist had to retract his statement after discovering it was false. Rifle, a long gun designed to be fired from the shoulder. The soldier carried a rifle during training exercises. The hunter carried his rifle through the forest, hoping to spot a deer before dusk. Rigid, not flexible or strict. The school has rigid rules that all students must follow. The pipes in a house can be rigid or flexible, depending on the material. The company has rigid rules, but sometimes managers bend the rules to help employees. She is so rigid that he never accepts new ideas at work. Our teacher is very strict about homework deadlines. Rigorous, very strict or thorough. The scientist followed a rigorous method to ensure accurate results. The results are based on a rigorous study conducted over 5 years. The athletes went through rigorous training before the championship. Rind, the tough outer layer of some fruits or cheese. You should remove the rind of the orange before eating it.
Peel is the soft, thin skin of fruits or vegetables, banana peel, potato peel, while rind is the hard, thick outer layer of fruits or cheese, orange rind, cheese rind.
Robot, a machine that can perform tasks automatically. The factory uses a robot to assemble the parts more quickly. Robust, strong and healthy, or solid and effective. The company invested in a robust system to protect customer data. The country has shown signs of a robust economy after the crisis.
Strong means simply having power or force, while robust often suggests strength plus stability, especially for systems, economies, or health. She is a strong athlete who can lift very heavy weights.
They built a robust economic plan.
Strong usually describes a person, object, argument, or force that has a lot of power. Robust means strong, solid, and able to continue working well even under difficult conditions. Strength is the noun form and refers to the quality or state of being strong.
His greatest strength is his patience. The bridge was tested for strength. Romance, a love relationship or story. Their romance began when they met at university. Romantic, connected with love or expressing love. He took her to a romantic dinner by candlelight. Rural, related to the countryside rather than the city. She grew up in a rural area surrounded by farms and fields. Rustic, simple and old-fashioned, related to the countryside. The cabin had a rustic charm with wooden furniture and a fireplace. They served fresh rustic bread with olive oil at the restaurant. The house was decorated in a rustic style with wooden beams.
Rural describes life or areas in the countryside, while rustic refers to something simple, old-fashioned, or made in a traditional country style. That was our journey from rejuvenate to rustic. These English words look like Spanish, but now you also know how to use them naturally. See you in the next video.